The Revised Penal Code, Book 2, Title 6, Crimes Against Public Morals. Crimes Against Public Morals. 1. Gambling. 2. Importation, sale and possession of lottery tickets or advertisements. 3. Betting in sports contests. 4. Illegal betting on horse races. 5. Illegal cockfighting. 6. Grave scandal. 7. Immoral doctrines, obscene publications and exhibitions. 8. Vagrancy and prostitution. Chapter 1. Gambling and betting. PD 1602 prescribing stiffer penalties on illegal gambling, as amended by RE number 9287, an act increasing the penalties for illegal numbers games, is the current law on gambling in the Philippines. Definition: gambling, any game or scheme, whether upon chance or skill, wherein wagers consisting of money, articles or value or representative of value are at stake or made. Illegal gambling, committed by any person who, in any manner, shall directly or indirectly take part in any game scheme, regardless of whether winning thereat is dependent upon chance or skill, or both, wherein wagers consisting of money or articles are at stake, when such game is unauthorized. Illegal game punishable under PD 1602. 1. Cockfighting, yooting, highlight or horse racing to include bookie operations and game fixing, numbers, bingo, and other forms of lotteries. 2. Caraway cruise, Pompiang, and the like. 3. 7-Eleven and any game using dice. 4. Blackjack, Lucky 9, poker and its derivatives, Monte, Baccarat, Cuajo, Panguig and other card games. 5. Peke, high and low, mahjong, domino and other games using plastic tiles and the like. 6. Slot machines, roulette, pinball and other mechanical contraptions and devices. 7. Dog racing, boat racing, car racing and other forms of races. 8. Basketball, boxing, volleyball, bowling, ping pong, and other forms of individual or team contests to include game fixing, point shaving and other machinations. 9. Banking or percentage game, or any other game or scheme, whether upon chance or skill, wherein wagers consisting of money, articles of value or representative of value are at stake or made. Persons liable under PD number 1602 and their penalty. 1. Any person who, in any manner, shall directly or indirectly take part in any of the illegal activities or games. 2. Any person who shall knowingly permit any form of gambling to be carried on in an inhabited or uninhabited place or in any building, vessel or other means of transportation owned or controlled by him. 3. Any person who shall knowingly permit any form of gambling to be carried on in a place which has a reputation of gambling place or that prohibited gambling is frequently carried on therein, or in a public or government building or barangay hall. Penalty for persons liable under 1, 2 and 3. Prison correctional in its medium period or fine ranging from P1000 to P6000. In case of recidivism, prison mayor, medium period or fine ranging from P5000 to P10,000. If person liable is under number 3, the malefactor shall be punished by prison correctional in its maximum period, and a fine of 6,000. 4. The maintainer or conductor of the above gambling schemes, penalty for persons liable under 4, prison correctional, maximum period, or a fine of 6,000 pesos. 5. Government official who is the maintainer, conductor, or banker of the gambling schemes, or who is the player, referee, umpire, judge, or coach on case of game fixing, point shaving and other machination, Penalty for persons liable under number 5. Prisión mayor. Medium period with temporary disqualification or a fine of 6,000 pesos. 6. Any person who knowingly and without lawful purpose in any hour of any day, possess any lottery list, paper or other matter containing letters, figures, signs or symbols pertaining to or in any manner used in the games of Utang, Jai, Alai or horse racing, bookies and similar games of lotteries and numbers which have taken place or about to take place. Penalty for persons liable under number 6. Prisión correctional. Medium period or a fine ranging from 400 to 2,000 pesos. 7. Any barangay official who, with knowledge of the existence of a gambling house or place in his jurisdiction, fails to abate the same or take action in connection therewith. Penalties for persons liable under number 7. Temporary absolute disqualification. 8. Any security officer, security guard, watchman, private or house detective of hotels, villages, buildings, enclosures and the like which have the reputation of a gambling place or where gambling activities are being held. Penalties for persons liable under number 8. Prisión correctional. Maximum period or a fine from 500 to 2,000. Illegal number games punished under RA 9287. Definition: any form of illegal gambling activity that uses numbers or combinations thereof as factors in giving out jackpots. Includes 1. Utang, 2. Majao, and 3. Last 2. Penalties for illegal number games. 1. If person acts as bettor, imprisonment from 30 to 90 days. 2. If person acts as personal, or allows his vehicle, house, building, or land to be used, imprisonment from 6 years and 1 day to 8 years. 3. Person acts as collector or agent, imprisonment from 8 years and 1 day to 10 years. 4. Person acts as coordinator, controller, or supervisor, imprisonment from 10 years and 1 day to 12 years. 5. Person acts as maintainer, manager or operator, imprisonment from 12 years and 1 day to 14 years. 6. Persons acts as financier, imprisonment from 14 years and 1 day to 16 years. 7. Financier or coddler, imprisonment from 16 years and 1 day to 18 years. Notes: playing for money is not a necessary element. The law's purpose is to prohibit absolutely those games. Gambling is prohibited and punished to repress an evil that undermines the social, moral, and economic growth of the nation. Mere bystander or spectator in a gambling game is not criminally liable, because he does not take part therein, directly or indirectly. Maintainer is the person who sets up and furnishes the means with which to carry on the gambling game or scheme. Conductor is the person who manages or carries on the gambling game. Lottery, a scheme for the distribution of prizes by chance among persons who have paid, or agreed to pay, a valuable consideration for the chance to obtain a prize. Elements: 1. Consideration. 2. Chance. And 3. Prize. Articles 195 to 199 is repealed by PD number 1602. It also repealed several other gambling laws.